GorillaPod Pro Vlogger Kit. I was looking at this as for the microphone here. It comes in this set, and I already have this GorillaPod, which I love. I actually use it for my iPad to hold my iPad just for everyday viewing for media consumption. But so I don't necessarily need another one, although I don't mind having another one of these. I really got this for the Wavo Pro shotgun microphone here. And in this video, I'm just going to review the mic, the shotgun mic. This is the Sennheiser MKE 400 shotgun mic, and you're listening to it right now. I'm about 1 foot away from the mic capsule right now, 1 foot away. This is going to be my base level comparison shotgun mic to the Wavo Pro Joby here that I'm going to test out next. And you're listening to this. There's no extra gain on this set. This is set to just a regular 0 dBs of gain. See there, there's nothing really set. And there's no high pass filter. There's really nothing in this is raw, completely raw audio from the Sennheiser. I'm gonna blow on the mic capsule here without the windscreen so you can see when I eventually test the Joby here, the difference. That's what that sounds like, so you can already hear the wind compression on this without the dead cat. That's what that sounds like, because I already think that even without the dead cat, unless you're on a beach or a very windy environment, this is good naked. You don't necessarily need a dead cat. So this is what it sounds like. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is the Sennheiser MKE 400. Okay, now you're hearing the Wavo Pro mic, and I'm the same distance away from the mic here. I'm about 1 foot away from the mic capsule, and this is the sound difference. I don't have any extra gain on here. I don't have any extra EQ. This is just raw audio right into the microphone. So I'll talk a little bit about this microphone as I show it, so you can maybe also hear the off-axis rejection here. So on this side, you can see that there's one output here, and then there's this goes to the camera, which it's into the FX3 right now. Here's where you can put the gain, 10 dBs of gain or 20 dBs of gain, and then on this other side here, this gain, you also have a 10 dBs and 20 dBs of gain, but this is for the external mic. So this is one of the only shotgun microphones that I'm aware of that you can connect another microphone into it that will become a second channel, because this is a stereo channel. So when you plug another mic source in here, it ends up splitting it into left and right channels. So you end up having another channel of audio where you wouldn't have that ability with the Sennheiser here. So this is an internal battery in here, and the battery lasts about 60 hours without the active noise reduction turned on. And with the ANR enabled, it's about 50 hours fully charged. And how you charge the internal battery is with USB-C. And then this USB-C also connects to a computer, and this could be a audio interface, this mic, a USB mic. So that's another ability that this has. And on the back here, I'm testing the off-axis rejection. There's the power button to turn it on, and you can see the lights. The lights light up here. The lights in the back shows if it's clipping. So if it's yellow, it's getting hot. If it's red, it's clipping. So there you can see here that those colors right there. This button right here enables a safety track, a negative 10 dB safety track. The Sennheiser does not have a safety track. The safety track is good. It helps you if you're in a loud environment, and then on the right and left channel is a different decibel level. So if something is too loud, you can go back to that lower decibel level. This right here, this button, that's the Bluetooth button, and this does require an app a phone app, iPhone, Android app that you need to use in order to use extra EQ or other filters, and also to turn on the active noise reduction. I think you need the app to do that. Otherwise, there's no button on the physical button on the mic itself to enable the active noise reduction. And now I'm going to do a test of the shock mount here, the plastic shock mount. I'm going to shake it around. I think this is a pretty good shock mount, and this might even be better if you have the active noise reduction on as well. And now I'm going to blow into the mic. That's what it sounds like when I'm blowing directly into the mic. Maybe a better comparison to the Wavo Pro should have been the Rode NTG mic. Because the Sennheiser here, it requires AAA batteries. There's no internal battery, and there's no USB-C. So you have to have adapters if you want to use this into your computer. Whereas this Joby mic and the Rode NTG, it has a USB-C that charges the microphone and also can be used as a USB microphone. So this is actually packing a lot of features for what this is. I am enjoying this Wavo. I'm surprised about this. This is really surprising me, and I'm liking it a lot. I'm recommending this microphone.